OpenAI just released access to the Chat GPT API and Whisper API. So you can integrate Chat GPT capabilities and the Whisper transcription or text translation services into any existing website or your app that you've got. In this video, I unpack a little bit more about what this release means. There's some awesome examples that OpenAI shared with who is using the API access, and I show you an example of an app that I am using right now to take advantage of the ChatGPT API. Let's go ahead and jump into this video.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
All right, this is very exciting because OpenAI has just unlocked their ChatGPT and Whisper APIs. So now you can integrate ChatGPT and the Whisper models into any other apps, any other things that you're currently running. So this is very big news. So the big takeaways are the ChatGPT Whisper models are available on the API. So it gives developers access to the cutting edge language and the speech-to-text capabilities. The cool thing is they actually show some of the companies that are actively using the ChatGPT and Whisper APIs. So Snapchat is using it. You have Quizlet, which is using it. Instacart. So Instacart's using the API to allow customers to ask about food, get inspirational shoppable answers. So how do I make great fish tacos? What's a healthy lunch for my kids? That's pretty cool. Shop is using it. So it's an AI-powered shopping assistant. Speak is an AI-powered learning language app. So they're using the Whisper API to take in the language and then translate that to the language for the user, the output. So the ChatGPT API is releasing the GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is what the current ChatGPT is using for the data set. And then they also reduced the pricing a little bit, which is awesome. So here it gives you an example of what that API request looks like. So what's the content coming in? What's the response? The tokens that are being used for that response. So they're releasing the GPT 3.5 Turbo with a new version, which is supported through June 1st at least, and then they'll update it to a new stable release in April. So the Whisper API, they've got some really great information here. So it's a neural net that allows language and speech recognition outputs, which is really amazing. But they have the API available through the transcriptions section or translations. It looks like it accepts the different file formats, which is great. So it looks like their example here is they have a MP3 file that they're using to translate. So opening up the Whisper page, you can see that this is the MP3 file and then it's doing the transcription automatically. So it listens to that file and then it does the transcription right there. So any kind of tool that you might need or a situation where you might need a transcription using artificial intelligence, you've got Whisper to do that, which is really cool. Like my dev team right now is looking into using Whisper for different things for the transcription, because obviously we do a lot of content. We do a lot of content for other businesses and marketing too. So having a transcription tool is really powerful. So Whisper's an automatic speech recognition, an ASR system trained on 680,000 hours of multilingual multitask data. So their code is open source on GitHub, so you can check it out on OpenAI with their Whisper. It shows you how to do some of the setup here on the command line on your terminal, and then it also shows you how you can use the command line to do the transcription right there on the terminal, which is really cool. So it's got all the code and examples here that you need. It's very powerful. And there you have it. That's some of the big updates from OpenAI with ChatGPT and the Whisper APIs. Really amazing. I highly recommend checking it out. On our site at Catalyst, we created this simple AI text generator. So it's basically like an article generator that anyone can use using the ChatGPT API. All right, so I typed in top ways to grow a business, added in 200 words here, and it outputted the article. So I would recommend checking this tool out. It's a very rough example that was put together in less than an hour using the Chat GPT API. So if you're interested in using the API from OpenAI with Chat GPT and Whisper, just let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to have a conversation with you. Our team at Catalyst, we do a lot of custom software, platforms, websites, mobile app development, content marketing and marketing as well for businesses all around the world. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. There's 94% of people watching this right now that are not subscribed to my channel. There's only 6% that are subscribed. It only takes 5 seconds to subscribe to my channel to help me support creating more amazing content like this just for you. If you have any other questions about ChatGPT or the Whisper API, drop them down in the comment section below. And remember, keep moving forward, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.